Alright guys, so welcome back. Stuck in an I almost stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Cousin's up there doing his map project.
Something just important.
Oh my gosh. Something just came in the package. I remember I came on the live the other day and I did tell some of you. Yeah, so I did say to a few of you guys that you know, if you wanted to donate to get me a drone, like I'll be happy for it. But I didn't really say it so seriously because I'm not that kind of person. I mean, if you want to donate, then why not? But I took it upon myself to still get a drone. So that's what's in the box here. I decided to get a drone because Jamaica is a beautiful place and it's good to tell a story down low, which that's why I got the lens. I did show you a video before me looking at that different lens. It's a better way to show you guys the story even better down low. That's what the lens is for. But then I was like, yo, there are places that I've been to, like I would like aerial shots that I couldn't quite get in. I think aerial shots are pretty majestic, but we all know like the drone is expensive. It's like $1,000 up for a freaking drone. And I was like, yo, what if I fly my drone and it just goes away? That's like all the way gone. So
$1,000 down the drain.
Yeah, so that's kind of why I kind of asked for the donations, because I knew like, you know, it would be, you know, on both of us. For the people who are on my patrons, like I would love to get more patrons, please. I appreciate having more patrons there, because those are the people who have helped me to do different things, like, you know, take a trip here or take a trip there. Patrons, thank you. And if you guys don't know what Patreon is, just go into the description box. You'll be getting videos early, exclusive videos, stuff like that, and a chance to chat with me. But anyway, enough of that. Here's a drone that I got. So it's the DJI Mavic Pro. This is the first version in the Pro series. To be honest, I would have loved to get the newest one, which is the Pro 2, I believe. But that one was like maybe like $1,500 or something like that, and not significant of a difference to, you know, really get that. And my cousin's over there just being a klutz. But anyway, yeah, but this one I was able to get an extra battery with it, which is important because this drone's supposed to give you like 27 minutes in the air. So yeah, so this is an extra battery that I got with it, which is just a smart battery. Usually, like with my other cameras, I would go with an off-brand extra battery. But it's a drone, like I don't want to mess with an off-brand battery and then it takes my drone away. So I rather get the real stuff. And a battery like this costs, as simple as it is, a battery like this is like 80-something bucks because it's a smart battery. It's kind of charged. But anyway, I got the extra battery, so let's open this baby up. You guys are gonna be doing it with me. Again, like everything that people have done for me in the past, like I wanted to tell you guys thank you. I don't know if some of you might have heard, like someone did send me like 600 euros to like continue with my beekeeping. So, you know, I'm definitely going to show you a video on that, or videos on how that money is going to be spent to improve that. But anyway, here is a drone. Gosh, you guys wouldn't even know, like I've been looking at videos of drones for the longest time, and here, you know, here it is. Like I freaking have a drone. Alright, so I'm done crying for that quick second. You know, it was a big tear situation for me. But yeah, it's just so cool when you work towards something and it comes, you know. Pause. Anyway. So I like this drone because they have smaller versions to this one, but I like this one because the range is very good and it's not so big, so you can fit it pretty much in the palm of my hand, so I can throw this in a backpack quite easily and not have much problem. So that's the drone itself, which is quite evident. And I guess these are the charging cables. Yeah, charging cables. Oh, I left my other iPhone. I have an iPhone 6, which I told myself would be my what you call it? It would be my LCD screen. I think these are the. I don't remember if this package that I ordered, if this one comes with like extra propellers. If it doesn't, I'll order some. But these are the propellers, and I think the coolest part for me is this. Like I always wanted a remote control car. I'm gonna be very honest with you. When I was a kid, I always wanted a remote control car, but of course they're expensive. So this is my favorite part, remote control. Of course, you can put your phone in between there. I believe this drone you can fly it by hand too. You can use your hand, or you can use your phone. These are the antennas, and yeah, I'm gonna try maybe do a little indoor flight. I don't know. You know, I just got my piloting license and shit. I'm gonna double check this thing because I thought I bought a different package that came with a few more stuff. Wow. I didn't order the one with the memory card.
Yo, you ordered the wrong drone?
No, it's a correct drone. It's the correct drone, but I had put it in my cart because I was really contemplating spending on a drone. I was like, should I not? And the package that I had was the same price as this one, but it came with an extra battery. It came with a drone case, which I really didn't care about, to have a drone case per se. And it came with some extra memory cards, like I think 1 or 2, but I waited too long and that one got sold out, so I got this one. But whatever, no big deal. I'll just go buy a memory card. It's gonna cost me a bit extra, but I do have an extra memory card here, so I can rock with that. But anyway, the manuals, who needs those? We just we just do it by we fly through hard. Let me ask you a question. What product have you ever gone back through the manual for?
Legos.
For Legos?
Yes.
You're still talking about Legos?
Yeah.
Yeah, he used to love Legos so much.
I would cry if somebody tried to take out my Legos.
But anyway, this is a drone put down, so you see it's foldable. I'm talking to my subscribers, like the people who don't know much about drones, like it's new information for them. But
someone's gonna in the comments be like,
yeah, we
know nothing about drones.
Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, so that's the cool thing about it. It can fold up, fold out, and this thing flies about 60 kilometers per hour. It's pretty fast.
I run faster.
I would hope that maybe some people would rent it a little bit, so I could try to make back some of that cash. I don't know, because I'm not going to really advertise it that much.
You realize I can run faster than 60 kilometers per hour.
Weird. Anyway, I'm going to charge the battery and then try to do like a test flight inside the house. I mean, it's my first time ever flying a drone, but just to hover. Oh, from your fish?
Yes.
Don't worry, I'll just fly them out to Brooklyn or something like
That's
that.
not.
I just want to be honest with you guys. I do need the manuals because this shit got like too much buttons. Like there's so many buttons on this thing. I don't even know how to charge a controller, so I'm a figure it out. All right, later, cuz. I finally got this thing figured out, like just to charge it, because this cable is used to connect to the phone, but once you remove it, you can charge it. So luckily I did some reading for that. Yo, pet peeve. I hate seeing people who have things and they have this crazy stuff on it, like it's gonna keep the thing protected forever. It's ridiculous. But yeah, it's charging now. It's at like 0%, so well 1% now. So we'll give it some time before I do that test flight. With this battery, I looked underneath the bottom. There's a slight crack there. You guys can see somewhere up there. It's a slight crack. I might just return that. Keep the drone, of course, but return that part. I don't know. I don't think it would affect the drone, but yeah. Yo, I just hope that the people who are watching this video and who have been, you know, part of the channel for a minute, like, don't watch the video and think like, yo, may I try to show off or be like, yo, this or that. Yo, it's far from it. You know, going through the channel, you guys might have noticed, like, it's just a transition of my life and stuff that I have been through so far, and you know what it takes to gradually become like a, you know, like a Jamaican YouTuber, because like for us the game is completely different, you know, especially as a travel vlogger. I don't really see a lot of Jamaicans like doing something like that, and you know, these are some of the steps that you have to take, you know, from the get-go. I think last year when I came to the US, you know, my choice was either getting a new iPhone, which I needed because my phone was old, or getting a drone. I opted for the iPhone because, I mean, that's a lot more essential than a drone. But finally I have the drone, so it just shows like, yo, you just have to keep putting in work no matter what it is. If you are a hairdresser and you want that new hair dryer for your business, just keep doing the work and then you'll get it, and hopefully it does, you know, improve your business. Or if you are an architect and you need that new laptop for AutoCAD or whatever the case is, you know, you keep putting the work until you finally get it. Or if you're a DJ and you want a new sound equipment, put in the work until you get it. And it's all a risk, because anything can happen to the drone. Oh, speaking of that, I did see where I got this. I hope there's no code on it for you guys to get, but anyway, it's some flight type of certification where it says water damage coverage will replace your aircraft if an accident occurs, even if it's damaged by water. So I'm gonna keep this, which is kind of cool because like anything can happen, you know. The only messed up part is that I have to probably like find a flight to get here to bring it in or something, but yeah, anyway. Alright, so I turned the controller on for the first time. And the drone, well, the drone is not on, it's like initializing, getting ready for flight. And then this dude over here is getting prepared to be cut, he's scared.
I'm not trying to look like no Chipotle chicken, bro. It's not happening.
Anyway, it's telling me like to read some instructions, whatever, let's go to jail.
What? That's not
I don't care, I'm clicking that shit, right? Alright, choose aircraft names. I'm gonna use my full name. Nah, I'm call this Ibby. Yep. Alright, so before I thought like I got like auto flight here, but I don't. I have 48 hours. Seeing that the drone has been activated, 48 hours to decide if I can get it. I'm gonna click get to see how much they're gonna be charging me. Alright, so I hopped onto this and it's $100. God damn it.
Is that for the whole year?
I don't know how long it is. Like if it's like for the whole year, then that's not so bad. Because like a drone like this, I'll probably be rocking with it for like the next 2 years, 2.5 years, because I'm not looking to really upgrade for a minute. I'm gonna go through this and see. Alright, so I still got 48 hours to decide if I want to do that. But anyway, they're gonna ask me a pop quiz. So they're gonna ask me a couple questions. If I don't answer these questions right, I can't fly my drone. Alright, so the first question is, how far can you fly a drone? Up to a mile away. There's no limit. You must keep the drone within your visual line of sight. Yeah, I did read that. I know the answer. Let's do it. It's C. Ha ha! Yeah, what I like about this quiz is that even if you get the answer wrong, it doesn't matter. Once you click on the answer right and you read it, then you know the answer. My cousin got this one right. Alright, yo, this thing it's not as easy to start. Just you don't take the drone up and just start flying in the beginning out of the box. Like there's so many things. Like I'm downloading some firmware to it. I had to download some GPS maps and shit like to protect it. I didn't know that the gimbal clamp was on, so it told me that the clamp was still on, so the gimbal wasn't moving. For those who don't know what a gimbal is just the thing that positions a camera, so it keeps good positioning without shaking. So the clamp was onto that. So yeah, hopefully when I come back we are really in the air. Yo I was flying that shit just now, like I was so scared. Okay, first of all, this drone was telling me on the screen, it was like, yo, no GPS, like meaning like there's like metal objects around, like that the electromagnetism whatever is gonna like throw it off a little bit. So anyway, with me my enough self, I got take off beginner mode. Like beginner mode is the mode where the controls are very sensitive, meaning like not so sensitive, meaning like if you press the joystick, it's not gonna move too fast. Like everything is like slower. Anyway, my battery just died. Anyway, I was like, I'm a pilot, I can do it. So I took it off beginner's mode and put it in pro mode, whatever the Addy mode, whatever you want to call it. I turned that bitch on, and it went in the air, and cause I have the AirPods on connected to my phone, all I heard is like, you know, like when there's an alert, like something's about to crash. That's all I was hearing in my ears, and I was just like, yo, we ain't gonna make it. So I told it to land, because the GPS wasn't so great, like it was swerving a little bit towards the table, so if I landed it, it was like gonna crash. Yeah. So like, anyway, I pretty much directed it over and like, whatever. So we're gonna do this again, and hopefully we won't break nothing. Put you guys on a tripod and do this shit. Alright, so I'm gonna do this again to try to fly this thing. Of course it's gonna be making like all this noise in my ears and stuff, but it's cool. It's got like an auto landing system and auto takeoff, so let's go again. So in my ears right now, I'm just hearing all these noises. the worse it gets, it's telling me like, yo, there's a collision about to happen. But to land it is pretty simple. Just swipe it, and then the girl in my ear says landed. And then what it's doing now, it hasn't landed as yet because it's telling me it's not suitable. Like the area is not suitable, so I'm gonna move it over a little bit more. Then click landing again. Which is dope. Alright, so for me, like, that's like the missing puzzle piece to, you know, this whole vlog thing. First of all, you can vlog with anything, with a phone or whatever, but this drone comes in 4K, so it's going to improve my quality, plus it's going to be a different viewpoint that you guys can see. And I want you guys to be more immersed in the storytelling of the things I'm showing you or the places I've been and how the location looks in general. So I'm really happy with that. I did put on the camera, on the drone actually, I put Soai Vlogs on it. What I'm looking to do is, those who are my patrons currently, I'm going to try to put your initials on the camera as well. So I'm going to cut it out in vinyl, different colors or whatever, make it look stylish, and drop your names on it because you guys have supported me throughout this. I did jokingly say about donations for the drone on a live before I even got it. The next morning, Andrea sent me about 30 bucks. I mean, she normally does send like, you know, contributions every now and again, but if I remember, I'll put your name on it as well, because like, yo, you don't even know, like, every support counts and stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna start working on some editing right now because someone just Snapchatted me not too long ago saying if I stopped vlogging because I didn't post a video in like 2 weeks. Nah, I still vlog, but of course I had to come to the US where, you know, to do content. I had no more content for Jamaica. But anyway, remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.